How to delete your story on TikTok. Hey there, welcome back to the channel and let's get right into this tutorial. To delete your story on TikTok, it is pretty simple. Start off by launching your TikTok application in your device. Now right here, if you have uploaded a story in your TikTok and you just cannot find the delete option, fear not, it is quite simple. Start off by launching your TikTok story. So as you can see in no any interface, we can see a delete icon or a trash can icon. No need to panic because the delete option is right there. When you launch a story, go ahead and swipe up or tap on the views option. Then in your left hand corner at the very top, you will see the trash can icon. You actually have to tap on it. Then you can decide to delete and re-edit or just tap on the delete option. That is totally up to you. To delete the story, just tap on the delete option and just like that, the story will be removed from your TikTok. Wasn't it simple? So make sure to go ahead and give this a try and thank you so much for tuning in. We will see you very soon.